everyone, so today I'm going to make an update about this Magegee mechanical keyboard and this Magegee gaming mouse that I got. I think if you watched my previous video, you saw that I did an unboxing for this mechanical keyboard, but I want to make an update. I don't know when was the last time, but maybe it's like more than a month or maybe 2 months. I have to check. But yeah, so when you turn on your PC, it looks like this. It does that cute light wave, and then wait, that is my sky. Okay, so and then you will see this mouse there, and when you try to move it, it's kind of slow for me. So what I'm gonna do is try and click the DPI. So click and then see if it's faster a bit, and then another one, and if it's fast enough to your liking, like that. Mine is quite okay, and then that's how I adjust the mouse for my liking. But you can just keep trying on clicking the DPI button here, so it depends on what you want. And I saw some questions about the lights of this keyboard and mouse. For this mouse, I don't know how to change the colors. It just change the way like that. I don't know how to fix it to make the light stay, but it's fine with me. I don't really pay attention that much about it. I'm just using and touching it, and I'm sorry about my mouse pad is so dirty. My brother did that. And then let's go to the keyboard. So first things first, I just want to share, since the caps are like that, so it's kind of leveled up, so it's kind of prone to dust. So what I do is I would get one of my clean paint brush. I don't know, whatever brush you have. Sometimes I use a makeup brush, an old one. Of course it should be clean. And then what I would do is just clean it like that. I know it takes a while, but of course you do that when you're not doing anything. It's kind of therapeutic, and I think it's good because you can just clean until you can just clean until the end there. And by the way, this keyboard comes with I don't know what it's called. It's like a clip. I'm just going to get it. Where is it? It's behind here. It's hiding because I don't really have anything to do with it, but I know that you can just clip it like that or something, but or maybe like that. I'm not really sure how to use it, but I'm not planning to change the caps of my keyboard or in any way, so I don't really have anything to use it for. Oh, okay, it locks up. Oh, but I don't want to remove anything. Okay, it's good. Yeah, so that's how you use it. So it's gonna go there. Yeah, I have essential oils here because I got a humidifier from Shopee. It's really cute too, just saying. And with the sound, let's open Word so we have something to type on. Okay, with the sound, it's still very clicky. I'm just randomly typing. The space bar sounds different. It's a bit clanky, but I like that because they should be, I don't know if it's just me, but I feel like they should be on a different sound level, so you know which one are you clicking on, like that. And enter 2 and the backspace. also, but the letters are like that. And now let's go to changing the light. I am currently on FNA5. Here are the buttons here: A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6. And this kind of light is just steady and not too bright. It's FNA5, and let's do FNA1. So it's like that. So it lights up the whole thing. And by the way, I have the white backlight one, and I know they have a model for the RGB one, but I like how this one looks. It looks sleek, very chic, but at the same time not too much in my liking. Okay, and then this is FNA2. So this one, when you click the letter, it lights up like that. So you see that. Okay, so let's do FNA3. That's what happens when you turn on your computer. It does that. So that's FNA3. See, it's a kind of playful light. And then let's do FNA4. So it's like a wave. I don't know if you can see that, but it's so cute also. And next is FNA5, the one that I often use. And FNA6, it just randomly throws lights everywhere. So those are the FN settings for the light that I know. And someone asked me for the volume or what. I haven't tried that because there you go. Okay, I haven't tried those because I don't really use them, and the reason is because I'm using my Jabra, and my Jabra headset has its own buttons, as you can see. So less volume, more volume, mute, and then answer call. So I don't really have any use for those buttons. Oh, there's a dust. See, Philippines is a very dusty place. Yeah, anyway, so let's go back to FNA5. And so far I didn't have any problem with this keyboard, and I still love using it. And as I mentioned in the comment from my previous unboxing video for this one, is that the body, I don't know if you can hear, the body is metal. It's so heavy, like not super heavy, but you know, it's heavy duty, it's heavy. And my brother did that again. You know, I usually just like to level it up, and then he likes to mess things in on my table. Yeah, but I like to do that. I like it higher, and yeah, and then I can put the wire here if I want. It's like that. So yeah, and yeah, so as you can see, it doesn't move. It's so good. You can position it the way you want. And then what else? The keycaps are plastic, but they're very like heavy duty kind, so they're really nice. And then this mouse is also kind of heavy duty. It has weight, but not too heavy. I still don't know how to use these buttons. I'm sorry guys, but if you are a gamer, I think you know how to use them. And this one doesn't have any problem at all also, and everything works so fine. And I have the wires connected to a USB hub. This is not the one. This is connected to that USB hub as well. I have two of them because the first one is, I don't, let's just, it's so far. First one is for my keyboard and mouse, and then my another USB hub, and then this one has the Jabra headset, and it has the memory card or card reader and USB. So I use both of them, and then I just keep them under there. This one is so cute. I got it from Shopee. Ilano. It works really good and it's not expensive. And then I just keep the wires back there, hidden somehow, so it looks a bit more clean and sleek. And yeah, that is an update for our Magegee keyboard. If you have more questions about this keyboard, you can just leave a comment below. And guys, if you are not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and like this video. That would be a really great help for me. And I'm happy that the unboxing video of this Magegee keyboard was kind of a hit. So I was surprised, but I guess everybody's just like me, checking out things, informations before purchasing something. It is not too expensive, but of course for people who wants to have just a starting set for their PC or computer, it's not super cheap as well, but it's just good enough. But actually the quality is really good, and I love the pink color. It matches my, as you can see, it matches my setup here. So yeah, thank you for watching guys. See you next time. Bye.